So, Stephen, why would somebody talk to me on a cold call? They don't know me from Adam. Why would they engage with me? It's down to the big claim and the inoculation. Let me explain. So, Dick, Jane or Spot, what we've been able to do for other firms in a similar situation to yours is this, this and this. And the way we did that was X, Y and Z. Now, I'm not arrogant enough to claim that we could do the same for you, certainly without knowing more about your business. On the other hand, if we could do something similar, hopefully that might be worth a couple of minutes as a conversation. So is it okay if we have a chat for 2-3 minutes? If it's interesting, we can talk further, and if not, I'm out of your hair. How does that sound? The big claim, what we've done for other firms in your area is this, this, this. The way we did it was X, Y, Z. And this is the important piece. I'm not arrogant enough to claim that we can do the same for you without knowing an awful lot more about your business. And that takes the edge off. At that, somebody goes, oh, well, what you've done for other people is interesting, and you're not being an arrogant bugger saying that you can fix all my problems without knowing what's going on. So, actually, yeah, maybe it would be worth a conversation. And then you can pivot into actually asking them about their business, their problems, what they want, their goals, and hopefully about how you can help them take the problems away and give them what they want. So that big claim and the pivot is a really important tool.